Karnataka State Counseling PG Medical Admission Round 1 result has been published for the year of 2025. In this video, I will be giving you the information regarding the cutoff of different specialization precisely for the open category and the management category. Open category means which category all over India students are eligible, and management category in Karnataka means which category the fee is very high. I will tell you what is the fees also here. So management category also all over India students are eligible. Now in this board you can see this is for the open category, and you must be knowing in Karnataka under open category two type of colleges there. One is private college, another is the university. Private college fees 13 lakhs per annum. Private university fee is high. Some cases it is 35, 40, 45, 50. Like that it is the private universities fees. Which all are the private university? MS Ramaya University, Saptagiri University, Adi Chunchandgiri University, SDM University, KBN University. This all are the private university. Last year Srinivas has also become private university, Srinivas Mangalore. So let's start with the cutoff of different branches. First, radiology. Private college cutoff 5,753. What the fees? 13 lakhs per annum. Private university 49,989 is the cutoff in private university where the fee is high. But what is the cutoff in management quota where the fee is very high? That is 1,18,075. Which college I am mentioning? That is MBBS Medical College. And what is the fees also I am mentioning? That is 1 crore 30 lakhs per annum. In management quota, radiology cutoff rank 1,18,075, and that particular cutoff, the fees 1 crore 30 lakhs per annum. Next is MD dermatology, 13 lakhs colleges cutoff is 5,894. Private universities cutoff 27,303, and management quota where the fee is high cutoff 1,06,482. Which college? Sridevi Medical College, and the cutoff and the fees 1 crore 20 lakhs per annum. General medicine college cutoff 9,539, the 31 where the fee is 13 lakhs per annum. University cutoff 56,801 where the fee is comparatively high, and management quota 1,34,002. Which college it is? It is East Point Medical College, Bangalore. Fee is 95 lakhs per annum. Pediatrics 15,360 is the cutoff in pediatrics. Fee 13 lakhs per annum. University cutoff 62,051 where the fee is high. Management quota cutoff 1,20,408. It is Oxford Medical College. Fee is 85 lakhs per annum. OBG cutoff rank is 16,791. Fees 13 lakhs per annum. University cutoff 63,459 where the fee is little high. Management quota cutoff 1,14,521. Which college? This is AJ Medical College, Mangalore. Fees 1 crore per annum. Orthopedics 25,755 is the cutoff for 13 lakhs college. University cutoff 61,945, and the management quota cutoff 1,37,630. Almost the lowest cutoff. It is Sridevi Medical College, 90 lakhs per annum. Respiratory medicine 20,498 is the cutoff for 13 lakhs college. University cutoff 38,505, and the management quota cutoff 1,12,199. College name is Subaya Medical College, Simoga, and the fee is 85 lakhs per annum. General surgery cutoff 25,515, and the university cutoff is 59,996, and the management quota cutoff 1,14,852, and the college is KVG Medical College, Sulia. 75 lakhs per annum is the fees in general surgery. Ophthalmology 29,547 is the ophthalmology cutoff for 13 lakhs college. University 52,968, and the management quota 81,461 is the management quota cutoff, and the college name is Ayan Medical College, which is in Bagalkot, and the fee is 65 lakhs per annum. Next is ENT, 30,816 is the ENT cutoff for 13 lakhs fees college. and university cutoff 42,443, and management quota cutoff 45,176. And this college is JJ Medical College Davangere fee is 30 lakhs per annum. Psychiatry 13 lakhs fees, college cutoff 31,346, and university cutoff 39,118, management quota cutoff 71,388. Subba Medical College had the fees 50 lakhs per annum. Last is anesthesia, 31,387 is the cutoff for 13 lakhs college fees, and university fees is 53,903 is the university cutoff, and management quota cutoff 1,26,221. The college name is KBG Medical College and fees 75 lakhs per annum. See, student, you can see from here there are few observation. First observation is that you can see this cutoff like ortho, respiratory medicine, general surgery, ophtha, all this cutoff above 25,000. So the student who has got allotted in deemed university and he has got allotted here also, definitely the student will try to take here, because this is the 13 lakhs fees and deemed the fees will be 25 lakhs above fees. Second observation is that the management quota, you can see the cutoff rank is very high. So the student who are not yet eligible, whose NEET score is maybe below 250 in that range, and rank is above 1.5 lakhs, for those students this is a very positive, I can tell you the symbol. Why? You can see orthopedic 1,37,000 is the cutoff rank. Here general medicine even 1,34,000 is the cutoff rank. Different other branches also, respiratory medicine 1,12,000, general surgery 1,14,000. So this is the cutoff only in round 1. It may go down in round 2 also. Moreover on that, there are many seats are going to increase in Karnataka also. Few of the colleges where the PG seats are not there, they may get the seat, like Danand Sagar, like Chamundeshwari. This private colleges, they may get the PG seats. See, in that case, what happened? The student who has taken the university seat where the fee is high, instead of university seat, they may take the college seat where the fee is low. So there are many things will happen in further round of counseling. If you have not taken any guidance in the counseling process, you can approach us. We will guide you step by step in the entire counseling process. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are not yet subscribed this channel, you subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get all notification, because we will upload all important video in our YouTube channel through the counseling process on NEET PG. Thank you so much, students.